Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that not only nourishes our bodies but also feeds our souls. We'll explore the significance of Go, Grow, and Glow foods and how they beautifully mirror the love of Jesus Christ. Let's start with Grow foods. These are rich in carbohydrates and give us the energy to keep going, just like how faith in Jesus empowers us daily. Next, Grow foods. These are packed with protein that help us grow stronger physically, paralleling how Jesus nurtures our spiritual growth. Finally, Glow foods. These are abundant in vitamins and minerals, promoting good health and radiance, much like how God's love shines through us. Just as Go foods sustain our physical endurance, Jesus provides strength and guidance in our daily lives. Just as we need energy from food like bananas, Jesus gives us strength to overcome challenges. Grow foods support our physical growth. Similarly, Jesus nurtures our spiritual growth through his teaching and love. Just as proteins help us grow stronger, Jesus helps us become spiritually stronger. Glow foods promote health and radiance. Jesus' love shines through us when we care for our bodies and others. Just as antioxidants in berries keep us healthy, Jesus' love keeps us vibrant. Remember, our choices in Go, Grow, and Glow foods impact both our physical health and our spiritual well being. By nourishing our bodies and souls, we reflect God's love in everything we do. Until next time, see you again, friends!